Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect Google Sheets information to Canva. In other words, we're going to be creating a Canva design and we're going to be using the information in your Google Sheets to display it on the design. So in this case, we are going to be using a chart. You can use a bar chart, you can use a pie chart, or whatever it is you desire. The first thing we're going to do is that I'm going to create a custom design. I could make it 1920 by 1080 pixels. I'll just click on create a new design. Now, before we go ahead, here's what you should know. This is the information I'm going to be calling into this Canva design. So this is the information you have student scores. So the first thing I want to do is I want to come to elements and I want to scroll down and look for charts. You see charts, you can even use tables for this, but I want to use charts. I'm going to click on this chart. And when it comes, you see immediately it asks me to connect Google Sheets. So when I click here, it's going to prompt me to log into my Google account. I'm just going to do that. Now, when you sign in, make sure to select this to grant it all permissions. So I'm going to select that. And then I'm going to click on continue. Now, I've opened my Google Sheets account and it's loading all the data. From here, I'm going to be able to connect to the particular folder, the particular sheet, which I want to connect to this data. Now it's still loading. So now you see it's loaded all the folders, all the documents in my Google Sheets account. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to click on this particular one. And this is student scores. You can see it here, student scores. And I want to load the information from where it starts to where it ends. So you're going to notice that it starts on C1 and it ends on D6. If I should just load the information like this, it's not going to show me anything. So I want to click here and I want to get C1 to D6. I'm going to bring that here and I'm going to say C1 colon D6 and I'm going to say done. And you see immediately it loads the information. I'll just go ahead and narrow this a little bit. So you see Alice Johnson. If I come here, this is Alice Johnson, 95. And you see Alice Johnson is somewhere around 95. Bob Smith, somewhere around, that should be 80. I think maybe 92. Bob Smith, 88, actually 88. So you can see it projects this data very, very accurately. So in a nutshell, this is how to create a document by loading data from your Google Sheets to your Canva. So if you got any value out of this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.